Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to use the templates folder in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I open the file explorer. So now I am in home directory now. So here you can see the templates directory. So what is the usage of this templates directory is, so this templates directory used to store the templates. Templates means reusable content or reusable code or a repeated content in all documents. Okay. So first I will show you example how to use this feature in Java class file. So I have creating one template file in Vim editor. So whenever I create the class file, I need to type the class name, open brace, public static void main string args, open brace. Then I have to close those braces. Okay, so that body of the Java program. So this body of the Java program I am typing. So this will be a template. So whenever I create a Java class file, I no need to type this reusable content. So save this file under the save this templates file under the templates directory. So come out of the home directory. Now right click new document. So here you can see that your Java template file is appearing. Click that one. So then you can see that file is got created. Now I am renaming the text file to a Java file. Now I am opening that file with text editor. Now I am editing the content. So just I am going to change the class name and content, unique content. I am going to type the unique content here. Just I am printing some messages. So now I am going to show you the example for HTML template, how to use the HTML template. So every HTML file will have HTML body tags. So I don't want to type this HTML and body tag for each and every HTML document. So I am typing this tags as a templates and save this file under templates directory. So now come out of the home directory. So in template directory I already saved the HTML template. Come out, right click new document. You can see the HTML templates it's appearing. Click that one. File is got created. Now I am renaming the file to an HTML file. Now I am going to edit this file with text editor. So now I will type the content alone. No need to type the tags. That's it. So this feature will be mostly useful for the developers who are using the reusable code. Also people those who are using reusable content or repeated content, this templates directory will be useful. So whatever content you are going to use repeatedly, type in a templates file, save it under templates directory, then you can reuse this code as I have shown here. So this is the way we need to use templates directory in CentOS Stream 9.